If you've ever pulled dry, flavorless chicken out of the slow cooker, this recipe is going to solve that for good. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes, where every recipe is tested in my kitchen by my family, and it only makes the cut when it's genuinely earned it. Today we're making slow cooker Italian dressing chicken, and I promise this one is worth keeping. I've got the full printable recipe linked in the description below so you can follow along. And stick around to the end because I've got my best tip for getting that sauce perfectly creamy every single time. All right guys, so super simple. So the first thing I'm gonna do is we're using about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And wait till you see this ginormous one that I have here. I don't think I've ever seen a chicken breast this big, but it's the perfect one for this recipe because it definitely won't dry out. So we're going to put our 2 pounds of chicken right into our slow cooker. And to that, we're going to add a couple cans of cream of chicken soup right on top. All right, 1 and 2. Okay. Very, very good. Now to that mixture, we are going to add an envelope of Italian dressing mix. So just plain old Italian dressing mix works perfectly. It's got all of our seasonings right in there. No need to add anything extra. I'm going to use my spatula and get that stirred around. You don't have to worry about doing it too much. It's going to take care of itself as it cooks. So this is looking pretty good. Alrighty, and to this, right on top, we are going to add an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. So I cut it into small squares so it can just kind of be dropped maybe in dollops all across the chicken here. It just helps it combine nicer. Come on, everybody out. There we go. I'm just gonna spread that around. And that is it. We're gonna pop a top on this. We're gonna set it on low for about 4 hours or high for 2 and wait till you see what we end up with. Okay, our chicken is done. All right, one last step for this. I'm going to go in with 2 forks and we're gonna shred it apart, and it should just fall apart. It is totally fork tender. Now I did make sure periodically to go in and stir up the cream cheese, right? Because we didn't want that to like land in a big old lump. But we're just gonna get that shredded up. Oh, it just falls right apart. Absolutely perfect. I mean, this was so simple. Oh, this smells amazing. But just look at how creamy the sauce is. That came out absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to plate this up. I pre-cooked some egg noodles, so they are just sitting here waited to be coated in this blanket of Italian chicken deliciousness. And then we're coming in to take a bite. Just look at that sauce. It's so creamy and rich. I wish you could smell this right now. Last thing I'm going to do is sprinkle on a little bit of chopped parsley, just for some color, completely optional. Now before I dig in, because it is smoking hot, here's what I want you to know about this recipe. Make sure you cube your cream cheese before it goes in, because if you drop in a whole block, it won't melt evenly into the sauce. The smaller cubes means a smoother, creamier result every time. And you can absolutely use chicken thighs if that's what you have on hand. Boneless and skinless, they work great and come out just as tender. This recipe doubles really well if you're feeding a crowd. Just split it into 2 slow cookers and increase everything proportionately. All right, I can't wait. I'm going in now. I think it cooled down just enough for me to take a bite. You could also serve this over rice too. I chose noodles. That is comfort food. The sauce is so creamy and the chicken just falls apart. My son devours this every single time I make it, and now I know why. This is definitely a keeper. The full printable recipe is linked in the video description below. I made it super easy for you. And if you love this, you have to try my slow cooker chicken and gravy. It's right here. I will see you over there.